What is up, Pyro Nation? We have a 2015 stash update here. We have a 200 gram cake by Cutting Edge Fireworks called Thunderstorm. It's a 16 shot cake, and there's the performance. Next is another 200 gram cake by Pyro Planet. They got the faces toward the audience and this toward the sky. It's a 10 shot electric jellyfish. Got 2 little packs of bottle rockets, 50 cents each. Got a assorted rocket pack, which comes with 4 of each of those rockets. I always have these as a little kid, and they're always fun, so just got a pack to mess around with. That was $4. Next we have a Cutting Edge Roman candle pack. This is a 10 ball one called Flashing Thunder, and there's the description. Next is another 10 ball crackling candle. Another 10 ball Blue Thunder. $10 Roman candle with a tail. And 8 ball Whistling Dragon. That was also $4. Next is a 500 gram cake by Pyro Demon Fireworks. This line is very good. This cake was nice, saw it in the demo. And there's the performance. That's about the size of the tube. About 1 inch, maybe a little bit more. And it's a 12 shot. This I believe was about around 16, maybe $10. This was 4, this was 25, and I said 4 and 50 cents each. $60 for all this retail. Not bad. And I will be doing a wholesale buy finally. My first year doing it, and a few more things retail. So like, comment, subscribe.